Okay guys, brought out 2 shippers for me. Stay up. Looking nice already. First off, treasure hunt. Also be on the lookout for these variants. I heard they got a Camaro drawn on there, like the game. But anyways, exclusive. Oh, the Datsun with the G case on it. Okay. Prelude. Let's go. Prelude. That's what I'm talking about. Okay. This one is also another Prelude. It's just raining Preludes. Got the Baja, another exclusive. Okay. Another exclusive. Another exclusive. And another Prelude. Definitely gotta put the Preludes. Got these two from, these are from like I think the next case over. Yeah, there we go. Peace guys. Happy hunting.